observed is A and expected is B, but we didn't put anything in for B, right? We just put it in for A. It's gonna calculate B for us. So we're just gonna hit draw. Wow, it looks like my chi-squared value in the bottom right turned out to be 23.49. My p-value is 0.0001. Okay, now because the AP test is exactly a week away from today, oh, P.S., I've decided to do something nice for you. On the day of your AP test, I'm gonna go to Blado's and I'm gonna bring you guys in breakfast, okay? So if you have any specific things that you like from Blado's, let me know, or things that you hate, and I will get you things that you like. What? Okay. That's a weird way to say it. All right, so this 23.49 is super over here. So what's that mean?
That we reject it's not independent, it's dependent.
So it's dependent. Now, can somebody tell me, because it's only a week away, tell me, look up. Could you do it if I had just given you the p-value and the alpha?
Yeah.
If I had said alpha equals 0.01, but your p-value ends up being 0.0001, accept or reject. And I didn't tell you these.
Do you still know H sub O and H sub A?
Yep.
Oh.
The question is, do you understand p-values and alpha and when to accept and reject? So p-value is the percent that's in that tail. So imagine that like this percent, look up, imagine this percent that's right here is 0.01 because that's our alpha. And then over here, this tiny little area over here, this is 0.0001. See how it's smaller? So if your p-value is smaller than alpha, you reject because you're in the tail. So the alpha is how much is in the tail, and the p-value is how much is in the tail of your sample. So if it's even tinier, then that means you reject and you accept the claim. So these are independent or dependent of each other. That means that whether you're identifying as a girl or a boy apparently changes the way you like to eat ice cream. In fact, they show what's expected underneath here. This is kind of cool. If you go to your matrix again, go to second matrix. Do you see now that your calculator says this? See how before we just changed A and then it just did B for us? So if you go over to edit and then down to B, you can see that it has literally the numbers that we just calculated by hand a few minutes ago when I had you guys all do it individually. You can also see if they were independent, what it should have been. So it looks like, if we want to make some conclusions here, it looks like how many males they expected to get an ice cream sandwich. That looks like it's right on. And girls too, look at that. We expected 20, we got 20. But it looks like a lot more males like sundaes and eating ice cream from a cup, and a lot more women like eating ice cream out of a cone than is expected. Yeah, like a cup of ice cream. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Just a regular cup. Like, you would go to Cold Stove.
What?
You work at Culver's, you know what it means when somebody gets a cup of ice cream, right?
No, it's called a scoop.
What container is it in though?
A scoop.
So you call the little paper cup that they put the ice cream in a
Not
scoop.
Yeah. I
But
call-
it's a scoop of ice cream, but you
Yes,
call the container itself a scoop?
Yeah, a scoop. So like if you ordered this 2-scoop vanilla with chocolate and caramel, I would say, oh, grab the 2-scoop thing.
The two scoop thing, what you mean to say is 2-scoop cup.
No.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm glad you got to listen to this, Nathan. Have a nice time.
Goodbye, Nathan.
Goodbye, Nathan.